To unpublish a Facebook page, all you have to do is open your Facebook app, and here go to your Facebook page. Now on the left side you have a bunch of options. Go and select settings, and under settings go to this general option, and under general you have the first one which says page visibility, and under page visibility click on that, and here you have two options, page published and page unpublished. So right now your page is published, so if you want to unpublish your Facebook page, click on page unpublish and save changes. And here it is saying that please share your reason to unpublishing this page, and pick any one reason, and after that click that next button. And so for now I don't want to unpublish my Facebook page, but if you want to unpublish a page, your Facebook page, then go and hit that next button, and after that your page will be unpublished. So yeah guys, unpublishing your Facebook page was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.